When it comes to picking a VPN, two names stand out, NordVPN and TunnelBear. But which one is the best for you? If you're looking for top-tier premium features or you're just starting out with a VPN, this comparison is for you. Stick around, and by the end, I'll share an alternative that might just be what you need. Let's dive right into it. First up, NordVPN is known for offering a comprehensive suite of premium features. You're getting strong security with military-grade encryption, a reliable no-logs policy, and the ability to connect up to 6 devices simultaneously. That's crucial if you have multiple devices or want to protect your whole household. What's impressive about NordVPN is its Cyber SEC feature, which blocks malware and intrusive ads, giving you a more secure browsing experience. Plus, it offers specialty servers like Double VPN and Onion over VPN for enhanced anonymity. That's not something you're going to find on many other VPNs. Next, the speed with NordVPN is solid, especially for streaming. If you're someone who enjoys streaming Netflix, Hulu, or BBC iPlayer, NordVPN provides high speeds with reliable connections. This is crucial when you're accessing content from regions with stricter geo-blocking. Now, let's move to TunnelBear. TunnelBear is a great choice for first-time VPN users. It's simple, easy to use, and comes with a fun, user-friendly design. You don't need to be tech-savvy to navigate TunnelBear, and that's one of the main reasons it's often recommended for beginners. If you're someone who just wants to set up a VPN without much hassle, TunnelBear is perfect. But you do need to consider the limitations. TunnelBear offers a free version, but it's limited to just 500 megabytes of data per month. That's fine for light browsing, but if you're planning to stream or download, you'll need the premium version. The premium version doesn't come close to NordVPN's level of features, though, especially when you're looking at things like multi-device support and extra security layers. Let's talk about pricing. TunnelBear offers a pretty affordable plan, but if you're looking for the more extensive features of NordVPN, be prepared to pay a little more. Still, the value is there if you want to secure multiple devices and enjoy premium speeds. Next, we have to consider performance. NordVPN offers better performance in terms of connection speeds and server options, making it a more versatile choice for anyone who's using a VPN for work, streaming, or gaming. TunnelBear, on the other hand, offers fewer servers and tends to be slower, which can be a deal breaker for anyone looking for reliable, high-speed browsing. Lastly, let's address customer support. Both services offer decent support, but NordVPN's customer service is generally quicker and more detailed, thanks to its 24/7 live chat and comprehensive troubleshooting guides. TunnelBear's support isn't bad, but it might leave you wanting more if you hit a tough issue. So, which one's better? If you're looking for premium features, advanced security, and better performance, NordVPN is the clear winner. However, if you're a beginner or just need something simple for light browsing, TunnelBear might be a better fit. But here's the twist. After testing both, I have to say, there's an even better alternative for what you're probably looking for. If you want an experience that combines the best premium features of NordVPN with the simplicity that TunnelBear offers, you'll want to check out the first link in the description below. Through that link, you'll get exclusive benefits and the best free trial available only for our viewers. Give it a try and see for yourself why it might be the perfect fit for your needs. All of these VPNs mentioned are good, but if you want the best of both worlds, take advantage of the trial today. You won't regret it.